I am so excited. I've been wanting this thing like for a really long time. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is perfect, you guys. I was actually wanting the bigger one, but then I did the measurements, and this was the most. This was the best.
Yeah, wait a minute.
One. Do the remote. Dude, need batteries. Do I need batteries for this? I do not got any. This ain't aesthetic.
No, Ashley, if somebody touched
It
the
is
L,
just getting out. Oh, it does need batteries. What's it need? Oh,
oh,
AA. I think I got some. Or does it come with some at least? Some down batteries. Like, come on now. Oh, there's some. And I bet they're Amazon batteries. Yes, they are. Let's do this. This. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we got rid of the box. Now we got. We should have got a different color. That's all we have, I think. If you want to, you gotta put it right here. That's the charger. It is so cute.
And my man, thank you to my man.